You're listening to Soundside. I'm Libby Denkman. What does the Northwest sound like to you? Is it the tide rolling over a rocky beach, the wind across the Palouse, a ferry horn echoing across the Puget Sound, maybe? On Soundside, we occasionally ask field recordists about their iconic sounds of the Northwest. And today we're going to hear from acoustic ecologist Gordon Hempton, also known as the Sound Tracker. He brought us a recording from inside a driftwood log on the Washington coast. Here we go.
Okay, take me to the beach. You can't talk about the Pacific Northwest without including Olympic National Seashore, which is the longest stretch of wilderness seashore on the contiguous United States West Coast. Yeah. Let's listen here a minute. Okay, we just heard a part of it. We started out with the seagulls. We also have the retraction of the pebbles. Not sand, that's pebbles. Every pebble is a note, but now we're coming up on it. That deep sound, here we go. We are going into a sound which is iconic, as little as it has been heard. It is iconic for the Pacific Northwest because it takes the whole Pacific Northwest to create this sound. We are inside the Sitka spruce driftwood log, a giant one. The same wood that is used to craft many acoustic instruments, including violins. And because it's wood fibers, can you hear the harmony? Can you hear all the subharmonics in this? The whole driftwood log is literally shaking because the acoustic energy of all the sound outside is shaking and creating this inside experience. It is both musical instrument and concert hall in one. For me, nothing gets better than this. And it's not just something you hear through your ears. When you walk inside that log, you are that log, you are that place, you are the interior which took to grow it, the water that took to deliver it, the placement of the winter storm high up onto the beach. So much goes on, you can't even think about it, and then you get to go blank and just feel it.
That was Gordon Hempton, also known as the Sound Tracker, talking about his iconic sounds from the Pacific Northwest. Thanks for listening to Soundside. This show is only possible because listeners support us. If you're able to give right now, please check out the show notes for a link to donate. And don't forget, you can listen live on KUOW 94.9 FM Seattle at noon and 8 p.m., Monday through Thursday, or anytime online at KUOW.org.